Welcome back. We love hanging out with our next guest here. You guys know Will Sadler. He's the director of Transitions of Indiana and passionate about restoring Hoosiers' hair and confidence.
Welcome also to Taylor J from WFMS, who's about to start hair treatments with the team at Transitions. Guys, thank you so much for being here.
And Taylor.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
Will, I know our audience knows you and they've talked to you, but you've brought Taylor here today to share a specific type of story.
Yeah, so Taylor, I'm going to actually pass this over to you because I want to kind of have them hear your story as to what brought you to us.
Yeah, absolutely. So I've always had really, really thick hair. And then about a couple years ago, I underwent pretty rapid weight loss. And people were saying, like, are you losing your hair? Are you losing your hair? Because that can be a side effect. And I said, no, it's pretty good. And then until it wasn't. And then it's just crazy when I wash my hair that I used to have, you know, so much hair. Like even this morning, I'm like, where did my hair go? So I went to Transitions.
Yeah, and the thing is as well is that whenever you're going through hair loss due to rapid weight loss, a lot of times your body's very intelligent, right? So it's going to try to reallocate some of the nutrients where your body is needing it more. We care about our hair, our body doesn't. So
the body's like, this isn't essential.
Right, exactly. So we try to help with making that, supplementing in what our body isn't able to provide to itself.
Yeah,
that's good.
How do you know which procedure or treatments are going to work on someone specifically, Will?
So the best way is really to do the consultation with us. We do a microscopic analysis, take a view of the follicles, where they're at within the different stages. But we offer every proven solution for hair loss, from non-surgical hair replacement like Graham here. So people with more advanced loss, that's a really great solution for them. But we also have hair transplantation, PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma, laser hair therapy. Again, we offer all these solutions because this is not a one-size-fits-all.
Yeah, that's why you come up with a plan here.
That gentleman looked like a completely different person.
I know, right?
In the after.
I love seeing the before and afters.
So, and Jen here, her hair loss was more from a hormonal standpoint, postpartum.
So, which definitely happens.
And did laser treatments with her and PRP. So,
hey, look at this guy.
That's me there, actually.
And that's you, Will, rocking that head of hair.
I was actually a client first, so I had a procedure done, had a hair transplant done a little over 8 years ago. And had another procedure actually done about 5 years ago, but you know, it's just from other areas that I didn't have loss at that time. So
it looks really good.
Thanks.
Now with Taylor's plan specifically, what are we doing to kind of help with this process?
So we're going to be doing laser hair therapy, which is an FDA approved method for stimulating hair growth. And then we're also doing PRP just to kind of give it, again, a little bit more of that jolt to, you know, kind of set the foundation with lasers, increase that stimulation, and then give it a little bit more of a boost with the PRP as well, and give it some more nutrients.
How are you feeling, Taylor, going into these treatments?
I'm so excited because I really went in there. I'm like, I don't know if this is like, you can help me. And then he said, no, this is super common and I can help you and I can't wait.
Oh, that's great. He's like, actually, that's exactly what we do.
Yes, right. And on a deeper level, I know we talk about this, you know, some people may say, well, it's just hair, but really it reflects how you feel a lot of times and how it just your day to day.
And we're, you know, I'm on social media all the time and pictures are everywhere and I'm just like, ugh.
Right.
What happened to my hair?
You just want to feel your best. So thank you for sharing your story with us. And then Will, if people would like to learn more, get in touch with you, what's the best way?
Yeah, so you can go to transitionsindy.com or you can call us at 317-522-2995 or you know, call for a free evaluation.
That's great. Taylor, Will, thanks so much, guys.
Thank you both so much.